basically responding to the symmetrical triangle resistance line from yesterday. It's acting as support now. Yeah, the only thing that really interests me on the chart is the B point down below. That resistance line that we were using from yesterday was used today, but it was for those that could, first of all, identify the resistance early on in the morning and keep it the entire day, and then it was able to be used today. Everything we do today, right, it's contained completely within a triangle. We just hit the 61. A little bit of a positive response on it. I have reason to believe we'll see it again. I could see somebody put a giant order right on the bottom of the 61. And then we've got the next 61. Like today has been very 61 orientated, but there's definitely been some sort of commotion at each 61 that makes it a little bit more difficult to get exposure to, which is fine because any value that's ever provided from a 61 is likely to be taken back in the future. It's good for short-term trading, but I don't think that anything that we've ever done off of a 61 is going to have a trend that'll last for a long time. And a new trend is also formed. We can see in that area. Intense. Just hit that B point down below. Let's turn this into a B point here, and this as well.
Your red zone.
Yeah, let's just hit it. The B points still remain up there. The 261's been where we've been chopping. The ATR will have increased a little bit there too, about 20. It reminds me of the move in the overnight session, to be honest. Like where we scooped down and then just rallied all the way back to the B points and grabbed them. And we're almost at the 188 too there, which is interesting. Sometimes with the bigger 188s, we haven't been making it all the way there. It's possible, but we are very close. So anybody that took the 188 definitely had enough to be able to manage some off in that case. Looks like we just came back for another test of it. Yeah, it's beautiful up off that 188 there. Well, the 361 was the 188 to the big B point. So the big B point up here is the major one. That's the one I'd love to see if we could get. So we've left little B points as we've passed, so it's good to make sure that we're aware of them. No stop should be placed above them. And it's a continuation pattern most of the time this year, so curious about being able to continue. Almost at that B point. Probably one of the best trades I've done in a long time. The 188 pulled through. It offered a little bit of profit initially. Like the equilibrium is now completed. The S wave of the day. Now, the 61 of the entire dump is close. I can actually just move that one down to there. You can see how close it is. It's on the other B point above. But where we have come to is so ironic. It's that same symmetrical triangle from yesterday. The top line, the purple one. First we responded to it in the morning positively, and now we respond to it on the other side of the spectrum, with that B point now being cleared. And it managed to fill me there. Every order I had to get where I wanted it to go is fulfilled.